So I've got my face cam, I've got my gameplay, I've got my audio. This is the bee's knees. I've got you covered, man. I don't know whether iPad OS 16 is gonna have this or not. I doubt it, but don't worry, you boys got you covered. Just jump onto Beard Squared. I've got loads of these tutorials and they'll hook you up. So let's get this game. Oh, what's happening here, man? Okay, let's drift here. Double nitros, where is it? There we go. Yo, man, we got some double nitros. I want to get some nitros here. So you want to use your iPad to record your gameplay, do your screen recording, face cam, audio. Just using your iPad, I've got you covered. So let's go ahead and jump into this. First thing first, you need to go and download Webex. If you've seen my other tutorial, you know exactly what to do. Do not download Webex here. Download the Webex meeting. That's what you need, okay? So go ahead and download and sign in. So I've already signed in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start a meeting. So our meeting has started. This is what you need to do. Go ahead and go to the system settings, okay? And it says the audio and video, change the audio connection, okay? Disconnect the audio connection. So we do not want the audio connection, don't connect audio. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that, boom. Now it says you disconnected your audio. So we are not recording audio on Webex. This is the only way it works. Next thing that you wanna do is click on the three dots, go to the settings here, and make sure picture in picture is on. And then what you can do, you can just swipe away and it's gonna have a picture in picture. So check this out. If I swipe away now, boom, look at that. I've got my little picture in picture face cam. What can I do from here? Easy peasy. I'm gonna go and choose my favorite game. So just like the Frustrated Gamer or your best gamer YouTuber, you could go ahead and copy them. Solar Smash or whatever game you wanna play, man. You go ahead and play your game. So here we go. I'm gonna open up my game, Asphalt 9. I was enjoying this game, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Now what's happening is my game is starting up. I've still got my face cam. All right, so here's my game started now. So I've got a bit of money. I don't think I can upgrade anything because I've just done my upgrades. I can go and play the game. Now, this is what you need to do. Pull down from the control center, from the top here, and you want to start recording, your screen recording. Now, if you don't have this button, go to your settings, go to control center, and you should have here screen recording. If you don't have screen recording here, okay, it should be down in more control. Here we go. So I've got my face cam floating around. What's brilliant about the face cam is I can move it to any corner. And if the gameplay gets really intense, I can just swipe this away and get rid of the face cam altogether. But obviously, you want to see my reaction. That's why I want to have my little face cam going on there. Now that my gameplay is on and my face cam is on, what do I need to do? I need to pull down from the control center. And I want to hold down this button, okay? Don't press it, hold it down. I'm going to hold down this button. Make sure that it's on photos and make sure the microphone is on. Because if your microphone ain't on, it's not going to record your audio. It's on photos, start recording, and it's going to give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm going to go play a game and show you that this works. And let's go ahead and play this game. All right, play. Here we go. So I've got my face cam, I've got my gameplay, I've got my audio. This is the bee's knees. I've got you covered, man. I don't know whether iPad OS 16 is gonna have this or not. I doubt it, but don't worry, you boys got you covered. Just jump onto Beard Squared. I've got loads of these tutorials and they'll hook you up. So let's get this game. Oh, hey, we started, man. So nitros, of course, nitros to start off with. I can touch it here. Of course, I've got my trackpad sorted here. You know what? I'm gonna make this smaller, man. There we go. There. Yo, I missed the thing. Let's drift here, get some more bonus here. Yes. Okay, we can blast with the bonus. Check this out. Yo, someone's messing me up, man. Okay, let's drift here a little bit. Yo, I want to get this nitros. Yes, I've wrecked him. Oh, we are far from first place, so we need to get some nitros here. Let's drift. Oh, I should have got that, man. Okay, let's drift here. Double nitros, where is it? There we go. Yo, man, we got some double nitros. I want to get some nitros here. You know you have to drift here, yeah? Yo, man. Yo, first place. I'm getting this. There we go, man. We've got this. And while we're doing that, we're having a bit of fun. We've got our face cam going on. We've got our commentary going on. This is live. Anyway, let's go next. Let's see if I've got any money here. Okay, how much money did I get? Not enough. In order to... Yo, man, what's this, man? I don't want to be hearing an advertisement. Let's see how much money I got. Okay, still didn't get enough money, man. I can't upgrade my car. But nonetheless, you get the point, yeah? Let me swipe away from this. And so here we go. I'm still in my Webex and I'm still recording. Can you see this up here? Boom! I'm still recording my gameplay. So I'm going to swipe down now. I've done my recording. I'm going to go ahead and press on the screen record and that's going to stop. Now what I can do is I can go to my Webex and stop this meeting so that I've got no face cam. So let's go ahead and click on this. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and just cancel end the meeting for all. So go ahead and end the meeting for all. Yes, end the meeting for all. That's that done. So I'm away with that. So now check it out. If I go to my photos, you'll see this live recording. And look at this. What is this? None other than... is none other than my... Yo, get out of here, man. Yo, this works, man. This works. Let me go ahead and mute that. You could hear that the audio is working. Let me go ahead and mute that. So let me just forward here. Look, see, I was gameplaying. Oh my God. How fun is that, man? How fun is that? So listen. Listen. Let's talk, man. Let's talk business here. I don't know whether the iPad is gonna, Apple's gonna update with the iPad OS 16, whether they're gonna give us the floating face cam. Doesn't matter. Your boy's got you covered. Come and check my channel out. Bit Squared. I've got a couple of more tutorials on this. You can go ahead and emulate your favorite gamer YouTubers. Okay, the Frustrated Gamer, DanTDM, and EthenGamer, and all the rest of them. And I hope you try this out. Comment on the section below if that was helpful for you. And I'll see you in the next one.